Can you get Amazon Prime Student if you already have Amazon Prime? The answer is yes, but it's hard to find the page. I'll leave a link in the description down below to the landing page where you can see here that it's the Amazon Prime for Young Adults or Amazon Student page. And you can get all the Prime perks at half the cost. It says if you're already a Prime member, see if you qualify. So you click this yellow button that says check eligibility if you're signed into your Amazon Prime account already. And then it'll bring you to this page where you can join and verify as a student or verify as being between 18 and 24 years old. That's why they changed it to say young adults instead of just student now. But you get 50% off of Amazon Prime. You also get 5% cash back and all the other benefits that Amazon Prime comes with. So as long as you qualify, you can switch from Amazon Prime to Amazon Prime Student, even if you already have that Amazon Prime account. If you don't have an Amazon Prime account, you just have a regular account, you can actually, you'll see the same type of landing page, but you'll see a different button here, which says join Prime for 18 to 24-year-olds, also for students. And it'll take you to this page where you'll actually get a free 6-month trial of Amazon Prime. Afterwards, it'll be half off, so that same discounted rate, and you also get the same benefits and the 5% cash back. All you have to do is verify as a student or verify as being between 18 and 24 years old. So the answer is yes, you can get Amazon Prime Student or Amazon Prime for young adults if you already have Amazon Prime. And I believe in the support documentation it says something about something about your Prime membership paid dues being refunded or maybe prorated in some way. So if you'd already paid for the annual membership for Amazon Prime, it wouldn't make sense to have to then pay for Prime Student as well. So I think there's something there that gets switched. So just pay attention to the Q&A or the facts or something down at the bottom of the pages as you're signing up, or just go look in the Amazon support articles and you should find that information as well. But that's Amazon Prime for young adults or Amazon Student, which you can switch to even if you have an Amazon Prime account already. And if you don't, you get free 6 months of Amazon Prime, which is a huge free trial for Amazon Prime for young adults. There's a link in the description down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.